Buckets. Oh, first try? All right, we'll take it. What's up, guys? He's always watching. So is he. Alright, so this is going to be a pretty quick one because I don't know. What did I do today? I literally do this every single time. So I woke up. That always gets a good start. I went to my first class. That was pretty fast. Going to my English class. Let's see. Danny.
Hi, Bailey.
Class is always so short, right, DeAndre?
Right.
Right. I know. About to have a siren test. We gotta open up the windows so you can hear it. Here it comes. Are you guys excited as me? I'm so excited. Here it comes. What could be happening out there?
Almost attack.
Well, that was fun. In between that,
You were here.
Was I here?
I don't know.
I was probably here. Maybe I have some beams, and here they are. So then I went to my art class, which was surface, and I got out of that early so that I could go and work on the project for that class. It was actually the last class before the final, so. Off to art class. Got my cameras. Gonna do some time lapses. The cars out there. Loud traffic. Did you happen to see that guy had a unicycle? Only in art school. Leaving from that art class early. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go and work on my time-lapse video. I'm doing time lapses for both art classes, but they can't be the same thing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next, I don't know, 2 hours. There's a guy in a Santa suit, but it's like a dress suit. I really kind of wish I got a better shot of that. Who's here? It's either Nick or Alex. Not sure. It's Nick.
I got a haircut randomly.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just like.
We were all like, where did Nick go? He just disappeared. I don't know what I did today. So here's all of my beams. Sorry if I don't give a good description of them, but here they are. Ooh. It's that time. You guessed it. I haven't done it in like a full 3 days. So coming back up to the room on the elevator was weird. I ran into somebody that we refer to as an animatronic. It was one of those guys who was like, "Hey, how you doing? All right." I asked him what floor and he said 15 and I was like, "All right." So I pushed 15, but I pushed it a couple times before it worked and he was like, "Those pesky buttons, always being pesky." I seen Patrick up the stairs. I think I got it. Now I wait for him. That guy was smoking a straight up Gandalf pipe. That's the guy smoking a pipe. It's been like 2 hours and I forgot my laundry. So now I go to retrieve. Elevator. I can run in circles around it. It's that time of day. My roommate locked me out. This rule, there's a little set of rules over there that you can only be in there for. You can only have the door locked for 1 hour. That's my way.
Does he know about me?
Not too bad. That's the end of this vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and share and favorite and do all the stuff. And that's all I got. Peace out. We're still here.
Just kidding.
Okay, bye.